hi, Mike. This is my opportunity, and I'm going to take it as well. I'm going to just piggyback off of Shannon and Natalie, who I don't know and have not met. But as I have said from the very beginning of my journey in the last year, I also am so thankful and grateful to Populist for everything that you guys have done for me during my illness, I'm going to call it, and supporting me and rooting me on to the victory that I am at now. I'm cancer free under surveillance. And I'm just so glad to be back in the fold with such a wonderful company that have supported me throughout the entire year. And it just really brings me joy to see how everyone is matriculating, how we're growing, and just to be a part of such an awesome team, administration on down to the last person that was hired. It is just such a wonderful blessing to be part of such a wonderful company. And I am so proud to be a part of Populist. Thank you so very much, everyone.